Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at the safe use of a two-post lift. The two-post lift allows wheel-free access to carry out most general repair work. However, if used incorrectly, serious injury can occur. Before raising a vehicle on the lift, you will need certain pieces of information. These include the weight and the correct jacking points for the vehicle being worked on. Autodata Online includes this information under service illustrations. Then ensure the lift capacity meets or exceeds the weight of the vehicle, including any load. Check to make sure the vehicle is parked centrally between the two posts. Also ensure the weight of the vehicle is distributed equally between the front and rear of the lift. Before placing the lifting pads under the vehicle, ensure the height of the pads are even. A screwdriver handle or something similar can help with this task. Check to see that the jacking points can support the weight of the vehicle before placing the lifting pads under the jacking points. These should be in the center of the pad. Shout clear before operating the lift. Lift the vehicle until the pads contact the jacking points. Stop and check the lifting pads are in the correct place. Do remember, the area around the lift should be clear of tools and equipment, especially when lowering the vehicle. Call out clear to warn those around again, and lift the vehicle until the wheels leave the floor. Carry out a safety shake to the front and rear of the vehicle to check that it is safe to continue lifting. You are then ready to lift and work on the vehicle, making sure to call out clear whenever operating the lift.